Hi there everyone, it's Stella GSXR here. This is the day after of Modification Stella. I spent all day yesterday installing the K7 headers on my K8. The reason I chose K7 because the pipe was actually slightly bigger, meaning it takes more air in. I think this stock K7 headers is just as good as aftermarket in my opinion, because I'm a welder and a boilermaker by trade, so I kind of know my steel and the welding and the way it's bent, the shape and everything. So I am pretty positive it's because I had a K7 in the past and that ran really good on the stock. So it's nice and polished. Rather than having the K8 headers on there, I would have to cut the cat off and then buy the pipe like everyone else has, the M4. It's like a bowling pin kind of shape, which I don't really want because it's still kind of this long here, and I don't want that. I don't want my bike to be like everybody else with the other M4 pipe. I was going to get the Yoshi, but I'm quite happy with this M4. I will upload all the videos on the fuel injection error and all that of how to install the servo body, the CO2 eliminator, how to get rid of the fuel injection, bypass it, how to install a USB, which I have here, and a Belkin phone holder. I've done everything to this bike except for the power commander, which is I'm waiting to arrive in the mail next couple of days. So it's running on the normal ECU at the moment, and it's running pretty good. Actually, I'm quite impressed. Without the power commander, everything's installed. I got better torque, better power in mid-range and top range as well. Everything's idling perfectly on every gear. Yeah, what can I say? Stella. Let's turn her on. See that? As you can see, everything came on perfectly. No light issues or anything. I'm just going to turn this on. Give me 1 second. That's how we roll, baby. Stella. Subscribe, follow, hate, love, share my channel. I'll be uploading on all the things that I've done to this bike, bits and pieces. I just got to edit it. But yeah, so the next thing to go is a power commander. I mean, I don't even have to install the power commander. It's running pretty good. But I've already ordered it, you know. We're just going to get another extra 8 horsepower out of it. So again, Stella GSXR, YouTube, peace.